In the age of digital transformation, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives. From autonomous vehicles to smart home devices, AI is everywhere, and at the heart of it all is the silicon brain, the microchip. One of the leading players in this arena is Nvidia, a name synonymous with high-performance chips. Yet as they venture into China's thriving tech market with their cutting-edge technology, they face a unique challenge: navigating stringent regulations. How does Nvidia navigate this complex landscape? Let's delve into the story of the H20 chip. The H20 chip, designed to meet strict export restrictions, is a testament to Nvidia's expertise in AI technology. This cutting-edge chip was conceived amidst a complex regulatory landscape, showcasing Nvidia's ability to innovate while adhering to stringent guidelines. The H20 chip's journey, however, wasn't without its share of challenges. From the drawing board to mass production, each step was fraught with unexpected hurdles that delayed its launch. Server manufacturing issues, hinted by some sources, led Nvidia to strategically limit initial production, focusing first on fulfilling orders for major customers. This decision, while seemingly a setback, was a calculated move on Nvidia's part, reflecting their resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. But the story doesn't end there. With the H20 chip finally ready for the market, the real test begins: its acceptance by the tech industry. But how has this chip been received in the market? As the H20 chip makes its way into the market, Chinese companies are in a dilemma. The downgraded chip has met with hesitation, prompting a shift towards exploring domestic alternatives. Amid fears of potential US restrictions, tech leaders like Baidu are considering AI chips from local players, such as Huawei. This complicated dance of choices underscores the intricate dynamics of China's tech market. Meanwhile, Nvidia is not sitting idle. Beyond the H20, the chip giant has two more offerings in the pipeline: the L20 and L2 chips. These are designed with the latest export restrictions in mind, reflecting Nvidia's strategy to adapt and innovate in response to evolving rules. The company's vision extends beyond just overcoming hurdles. It seeks to shape the future of AI globally. Nvidia continues to innovate and adapt, but what does this mean for the future of AI in China? In the face of tightening restrictions, Nvidia showcased its adaptability by launching a modified gaming chip in late December. This bold move underlines Nvidia's innovative strategies to maintain its market share, highlighting the company's resilience and ingenuity amidst evolving regulations. As we've journeyed through the development of the H20 chip, the dynamics of the Chinese market, and Nvidia's future plans, one thing is clear: Nvidia continues to shape the future of AI in China. As the tech landscape evolves, join us as we continue to explore these fascinating frontiers of technology.